tired of boring chicken dinners, we've got you. We're making 8 one-pot chicken dinners
that are packed with flavor
and virtually no cleanup because they're one-pan meals.
Let's get cooking.
Recipe number 1 is one of my favorites that I make every single time I don't want to cook. It's chicken Rice-A-Roni, and I love it because it's just chicken and a box of Rice-A-Roni in a skillet. Today we're making one of my all-time favorite comfort meals that the kids love. It's Rice-A-Roni chicken casserole, creamy, cozy, and ridiculously easy, and I love that it all cooks in one pan. First, heat a tablespoon of olive oil in your skillet. Then add 1 pound of bite-sized chicken breasts seasoned with salt and pepper. You can also use chicken thighs, whatever you have on hand. Season lightly with salt and pepper. Once the chicken is cooked, add 2 tablespoons of butter. Let it brown and then pour in 1 box of chicken Rice-A-Roni. Don't forget to add the seasoning packet from the box. That's where the flavor will be. Next, add 2½ cups of water, stir everything together, and let it simmer until the rice is tender and the liquid is absorbed. Once it's done, fluff it up, sprinkle with parsley if you want, and dinner is ready. It's simple, filling, and a recipe the whole family will actually eat.
Recipe number 2, it is chicken and dumplings, but we cheat and use canned biscuits, and I promise you won't know the difference.
Let's make a cozy, easy comfort food classic, chicken and dumplings with biscuits. Start by placing 2 to 3 boneless chicken breasts into a large pot with 4 cups of water. Bring it to a boil, then cover until the simmer is cooked through and tender. Once it's done, remove the chicken, shred it with 2 forks and set it aside. Now pour 4 cups of chicken broth into the same pot and season it with a bit of black pepper and poultry seasoning. Bring everything back up to a gentle boil to create that rich, flavorful base. Now for the dumplings. Instead of making dough from scratch, we're using canned refrigerated biscuits. Pull them into layers and cut them into small pieces and then lightly coat them with flour. Drop the biscuit pieces into the simmering broth and let them cook uncovered for about 10 minutes until they turn soft and fluffy. Finally, stir the shredded chicken back into the pot, let it simmer a few more minutes, and you've got a warm, creamy, delicious bowl of chicken and dumplings ready to serve that everyone is going to love. It is simple, hearty, and perfect for any night that you might need a little comfort food without all the work. Enjoy.
Recipe number 3. Let's get our pot and we're gonna make chicken tortilla soup. Restaurant quality, but it's so simple to make in your stock pot. This chicken tortilla soup is one of my favorite meals to cozy up on a chilly night. Hearty, flavorful, and so easy to make. Start by heating 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven. Then toss in your chopped onion, minced garlic, diced jalapenos, and saute until they're soft and fragrant. Next, add in about 1 pound of chicken breast. You can swap boneless chicken thighs if you prefer for more juicy flavor. Now the good stuff. Pour in 10 ounces of Rotel, 15 ounces of crushed tomatoes, and 14 ounces of drained black beans, and 1 cup of frozen corn. Season with 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, a teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. That gives it that balanced Tex-Mex flavor you're craving. Pour in 4 cups of broth and 2 cups of water. Stir it all together and bring it to a simmer. Cover and cook for about 25 to 35 minutes until the chicken is tender and easy to shred. Once the chicken is cooked, remove it, shred it, and stir it back into the pot. Then squeeze in the juice of 1 lime. Now for the texture and crunch. Cut tortillas into strips and fry them in a little olive oil until crispy, or use tortilla chips if you're short on time. Serve the soup hot, topped with those crunchy strips, extra cilantro, and maybe a dollop of sour cream, cheddar cheese, or avocado if you're feeling extra. This soup is the perfect for a cozy weeknight, meal prep, or feeding a crowd. And it freezes great too.
Recipe number 4 is chicken, rice, and broccoli casserole. And guess what? It's all made in the crock pot because that's one pot too. This is a cheesy, delicious casserole that has veggies in it and it's so good, the whole family is gonna love it.
Let's make slow cooker chicken, broccoli, and rice casserole, a cheesy one-pot comfort meal your whole family is gonna love. Start by placing diced chicken and uncooked long-grain white rice into your slow cooker. Next, add a can of cream of chicken soup and a cream of mushroom soup, chicken broth, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and a little pepper. Stir it all together, cover, and cook on low for about 3.5 to 4 hours. Then stir in the fresh broccoli and continue to cooking until the broccoli is tender and the rice is fluffy. Sprinkle shredded cheddar cheese on top, let it melt, and you've got a creamy, cheesy, slow cooker casserole that's perfect for any night of the week. Enjoy, friends.
Recipe number 5, chicken hash brown casserole. Oh my goodness. It's cheesy, delicious, and the perfect comfort food, but we're putting it all in a casserole dish. It's pre-cooked chicken and hash browns. So it's the simplest dinner for a busy weeknight. This chicken hash brown casserole is the perfect dinner for busy nights. Simple, filling, and the whole family loves it. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees. In a large bowl, mix together sour cream, cream of chicken soup, milk, salt, and pepper until smooth. Next, stir in shredded cooked chicken. Rotisserie chicken will also work as well. Frozen hash browns and shredded cheddar cheese. Mix everything together and spread it into a greased 9x13 baking dish. In a small bowl, combine crushed cornflakes with melted butter. Then sprinkle that right on top over the top of the casserole. Bake for 1 hour until golden brown and bubbly. This cheesy chicken hash brown casserole is comfort food made easy.
Recipe number 6. It's another crock pot one for you, and it's only 4 ingredients. It's Mississippi chicken. It's all the flavors of our favorite Mississippi roast, but we make it budget friendly and use chicken instead.
Let's make easy crockpot Mississippi chicken with just 4 ingredients. Add chicken breast to your crockpot, sprinkle on a packet of ranch seasoning, pour in pepperoncini peppers, and place a stick of butter right on top. Cook on low for 6 to 8 hours or on high for 3 to 4 until the chicken is tender. Shred this chicken, stir it all together, and I love serving this right over mashed potatoes, or it's great on slider buns. It's a delicious meal that cooks itself.
Recipe number 7, we're going to use our crock pot, but don't worry, everything just dumps right in. It's slow cooker chicken and veggies. It has everything you need for an entire dinner, no browning needed. This slow cooker chicken and vegetables is the ultimate hands-off dinner. Simple prep, big flavor, and if you can throw everything into the crock pot, you can make dinner tonight. Start with a large slow cooker and add 2 pounds of chicken breast cut into dice-sized pieces. You could use chicken thighs or even bone-in chicken if that's what you have. Next, add your vegetables: quartered red potatoes, whole carrots cut into thirds, and green beans. Fresh green beans work great, but frozen beans can be used too. No need to thaw them first. Now sprinkle everything with garlic, paprika, dried rosemary, onion powder, kosher salt, and black pepper. This seasoning blend keeps it simple but really flavorful. Now cut butter into small pieces and place it right on top so it melts down as it cooks and keeps everything moist and tender. Cover and cook on low for 4 to 6 hours until the chicken is cooked through and the vegetables are fork tender. Serve warm for an easy, comforting dinner. Enjoy.
Recipe number 8, last but not least, is another soup. This is chicken fajita soup made in your favorite stock pot. It's healthy and it has all the flavors of classic fajitas in a nice soup form.
Let's make a bold, flavor-packed chicken fajita soup. All the fajita vibes in a cozy bowl of soup. Start by heating olive oil and sauteing bite-sized chicken pieces until golden brown. Add in some sliced onions, bell peppers, and garlic. Then pour in diced tomatoes and chicken broth. Stir in fajita seasoning, cumin, chili powder, salt, and pepper for that signature Tex-Mex flavor. Let everything simmer until the chicken is cooked through and the veggies are tender. And then that's it. Serve your soup with crunchy tortilla strips, creamy avocado, of course a squeeze of fresh lime juice, and a sprinkle of cheese or cilantro for extra deliciousness. You're gonna love this easy soup.
There you have it, easy chicken dinners that only have 1 pan. Let us know in the comments which one you're making first.
And if you love today's videos and you love one pot recipes as much as we do, make sure you check out our next video.